If your food pantry staff is overworked or perhaps understaffed, a great option is to connect with your Utah State University Extension Office. A Create Better Health ambassador is extensively trained on nutrition criteria and this food pantry project. They can help you to implement the program with little time on your part. They are also well trained in the ability to train staff, do recipe demos, create recipes with foods that you may have a surplus of at your site. They also are trained in the ability to create and implement healthy food drives within your county and opportunities to get healthy produce from your local farmers markets. Connecting with your Create Better Health ambassador brings so many possibilities and opportunities to your food pantry. I highly encourage that you reach out to them and connect with them. Again, a great way to connect with them is to call your Utah State University Extension Office and get their contact information today.